What's up, y'all? DiDio here. Today we're going to be talking about the thing that I spend well, I'm talking really fast. Today I'm going to be talking about the thing that I spend the most time on in my room. It's not my guitars, it's not my piano. Sad to say it, but it's my bed. This thing has saved my workflow life. I'm serious, it's amazing. It's my couch bed. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. Well, a little more than a year ago, well, not a little more, a little less, like a few days less than a year ago, for my birthday, which happens to be in a week and a half, I got a couch bed for my birthday. I'm sitting on it right now, actually. It's so comfortable. I'm going to be talking in depth about it. I mean, it's going to be a short video, but I'm going to talk in depth about it because this thing has saved my workflow life, as I mentioned in the intro. It has made it so I can do everything I want in this room. Oh, but right now I'm going old school. How do you like the Canon T6i look? This is what I didn't start the channel out on, but this is my first ever real camera. So let me know how you think it looks. I brought it off the shelf. I mean, I've been using it, but I've mainly been using my Sony camera, so let me know how you think it looks. I'm using it because upstairs right now in my dad's office, everything else is being used. So I'm not even using my regular lights. I'm using natural light and a few of those awesome LED lights that I did a video about. Shameless plug. But I guess we should go ahead and start talking about the bed. This is really, really comfortable. Now what's cool is the whole thing, basically. It is a couch. Whenever you get it, it's like a rolled up ball and it's really cool, and then it starts expanding. But it's a couch. So you can sit on it, you can have pillows on it, and it folds out into a bed. And the stand that comes with it, very easy to assemble, by the way. They didn't pay me to say this. It was very easy to assemble. A little heavy, but very easy to assemble. Made out of bamboo. It slides out. So you don't have this big old bed frame that you keep knocking into. You have a stylish looking bamboo wood thing for a couch. I mean, it's just cool looking. It was so worth it. Now, I don't know exactly how much it costs. There's a link in the description if you want to go and check them out. These things are all the rage, as they say. But it's literally been, and I was really thinking it wouldn't be comfortable to sleep on, but it has been the most comfortable thing I've slept on. And I've slept on a lot of things, okay? I know what I'm talking about with that. It is the most comfortable thing I've slept on and played guitar on. It makes it so easy just to sit down and play guitar or hang out on the phone or something. I just hang out here, and people who come over, they're like, oh, this is more comfortable than I thought it would be when they sit down on it. And it's so great. I can keep stuff under the bed for storage, easy storage. And then, of course, you can slide it out. I haven't hit my ankle on the wood once. That's a big deal for me. I do that to stuff all the time. I haven't hit it once. It's so easy to see, so it's not like you do that. And you can also step on it if you want to get up higher. And it does really good in video. You'll see in this video right here, this was a live stream I did a few weeks ago with my pastor. There's a link up above if you want to go and check that out, where I actually slid the bed out forward a little bit more. The couch. I slid the couch out forward a little bit more, and I back illuminated it. So I put those LED lights again in the back. It was a blue color, and I illuminated from the back. Now I also have done it where it's just straight up against the wall, and I just illuminate the wall from other angles. But it is very easy to illuminate from the back, and it looks very, very cool. So it's very cool to sit on, and it's low to the ground. I don't like super high beds. I don't like super low beds either. So this is right in the middle. It's perfect. It's good for reading books. But I think that pretty much wraps up this video. Let me know what you think about the couch bed and if you think you might just get one. Now, if you haven't seen the other video, we already talked about the guitar corner, which I want you to go and watch that. It's linked up right there. Yeah. So you can go and check it out if you'd like. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified anytime I release a video or go live, which isn't too often so your phone doesn't blow up. And like this video and share it with your friends if you think the couch bed is a pretty cool idea. Now this whole series, you gotta subscribe because you wanna learn more about the record wall, the lights on the record wall, the foam panels. You gotta learn about all that. So thank you so much for watching. This was part 2 in the series. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.